guys, I'm Esther from Spicy Vegan Food, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious brownie oatmeal bake. This is honestly so easy to prep. It just takes a few simple ingredients to mix together. It's one dish, you mix it all together in your baking dish, throw it in the oven, leave it in there for 40 minutes, and then it is ready to serve. And it's actually also perfect for meal prep. You can make this ahead, you can reheat it, you can eat it cold. It is so delicious. It actually really does taste like a brownie. It's so good. So let's get started. So let's get started with all of our ingredients here. So we've got a 1/3 cup of vegan semi-sweet chocolate chips. We've got 2 cups of plant milk. I used a almond coconut milk. Coconut milk's so good in this. A 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now if your peanut butter is unsalted, put a pinch of salt and put 1 tablespoon of ground flax. And then we have 2 cups of rolled oats, which is the main event here, and we have 1/3 cup of maple syrup. All right, so it's really easy to do. First thing we want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees so that it'll be ready to throw this in, but honestly, it comes together so fast. So I've just put in my plant milk, which is my coconut and almond milk, and I've put in my teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I'm going to put in my pure maple syrup. So I'm just kind of adding all the wet ingredients in here first, but honestly, it's totally fine whichever way you do it. They're all going to mix together really well and really easily. And now I'm going to add in my all-natural peanut butter. It's a little bit stuck there, so I'm just going to get all of that and make sure I'm getting all that delicious peanut butter out of there. Now again, if your peanut butter is salted, you do not need to add a pinch of salt because you don't want this to be overly salty. Now I'm going to add in my rolled oats. And then I'm going to add in my cocoa powder, which is what's going to make this taste like a brownie, that delicious chocolatey flavor. Added in my flax seeds and my baking powder, and all I have to do is just combine the ingredients really well. So I'm just going to give them a really good mix before I put them in the oven. So I'm just going to give it a nice mix, scrape everything off of the edges, and then I'm going to add in my chocolate chips. Now, you want to kind of gently mix these in at the end. You don't need to mix them in a lot. You just want them kind of evenly distributed throughout your oatmeal brownie bake here. So you definitely don't want to be shy with the chocolate chips or the cocoa powder. Make sure you're using the full amount for those. And just like that, we have it together and it's ready to throw in the oven. So you can bake it at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. So you can put this together in like honestly 5 minutes. Throw it in the oven, set your timer, and go do whatever it is that you have to do, and then you pull out this delicious brownie oatmeal bake. Now, it's great for leftovers, but honestly, it's best served fresh. So if you can eat this right out of the oven, wait a minute for it to cool, that is absolutely the best, and it really does honestly taste like a brownie. Okay, time for my favorite part, which is the taste test. Get in there and get some of that chocolatey goodness. Chef's kiss. That is so good. That really does taste like a brownie. I think kids would love this. I think chocolate lovers would love this. And it's so healthy and nutritious. So guys, I hope you love this video. If you want to see more videos on healthy vegan recipes like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below. Thanks so much for watching.